Hey guys, Trina here, back with another 30 Days of Art demo. Today we're going to be using a squeegee to lay down marks and colors on the paper. Here you see me putting down some marks with a permanent marker. I'm adding some acrylics in the spots that I want to have the paint spread. A little tricky because you have to think about where the colors are going to blend and how they're going to blend. I learned that the hard way the last time. So you have to be sparingly and try to stick with just 3 colors. So now we're getting ready to squeegee, and you have to apply pressure and just pull straight down. And I love this effect. Love it, love it. It's like a print. It's very smooth. It's a little different than the way that I normally work, and I just think it has so many possibilities going forward. And now I'm going to add in some pastels to kind of finish it off. But yeah, let me know if you have any questions about this technique. And as always, like and subscribe, and I will see you tomorrow for day 10. Have a good day. Bye.